We have 2 ears and 1 mouth, so we should listen more than we say. It is in virtue that happiness consists, for virtue is the state of mind which tends to make the whole of life harmonious. Man conquers the world by conquering himself. Fate is the endless chain of causation, whereby things are, the reason or formula by which the world goes on. The goal of life is living in agreement with nature. Steel your sensibilities, so that life shall hurt you as little as possible. No one entrusts a secret to a drunken man, but one will entrust a secret to a good man. Therefore, the good man will not get drunk. Happiness is a good flow of life. Well-being is attained little by little, and, nevertheless, is no little thing itself. Follow where reason leads. If you lay violent hands on me, you'll have my body, but my mind will remain with Stilpon. Better to trip with the feet than with the tongue. The end may be defined as life, in accordance with nature, or in other words, in accordance with our own human nature as well as that of the universe. Man seems to be deficient in nothing so much as he is in time. If being is many, it must be both like and unlike, and this is impossible, for neither can the like be unlike, nor the unlike like. No matter whether you claim a slave by purchase or capture, the title is bad. They who claim to own their fellow men look down into the pit and forget the justice that should rule the world. The reason why we have 2 ears and only 1 mouth is that we may listen the more and talk the less. A bad feeling is a commotion of the mind repugnant to reason and against nature. The voice is the flower of beauty. All the good are friends of one another. That which exercises reason is more excellent than that which does not exercise reason. There is nothing more excellent than the universe. Therefore, the universe exercises reason. A friend is our alter ego. Love is a god who cooperates in securing the safety of the city. No evil is honorable, but death is honorable. Therefore, death is not evil. Extravagance is its own destroyer. I made a prosperous voyage when I was shipwrecked. By silence, I hear other men's imperfections, and conceal my own. One ought to seek out virtue for its own sake, without being influenced by fear or hope, or by any external influence. Moreover, that in that does happiness consist. Fortune bids me to follow philosophy with fewer encumbrance. Seeing that the universe gives birth to beings that are animate and wise, should it not be considered animate and wise itself? The avaricious man is like the barren, sandy ground of the desert, which sucks in all the rain and dews with greediness, but yields no fruitful herbs or plants for the benefit of others. Nothing can be of great worth or holy which is the work of builders and mechanics. All things are parts of one single system, which is called nature. The individual life is good when it is in harmony with nature. Death is nothing but to live. Defeated and inglorious is to die daily. The purpose of life is happiness, which is achieved by virtue. Living according to the dictates of reason, ethical, philosophical training, self-reflection, careful judgment, and inner calm.